Okay guys, we took like many hours to figure out why uh, this bathtub for the RV was leaking. I will take the thing apart and I will show you. We just made a test with the water. Now there is no leak at all. However, my wife, I want to congratulate her because she gave me the idea, and I will show you. I tried so many things. Remember that I told you that this P-trap I had to make a new P-trap because we could not find it to the stores. So we had to build ourselves. Actually, we took two P-traps to make one unit. So I will take it apart and show you. Please, let's see under here. Let's show under here. See, there's no water leak at all. It took us hours to figure it out. It was hard to find parts. We went to the store a couple of times to see if we could find some rubber rings, but there is no rubber rings. We made our own rubber ring that my wife gave this great idea. I told her that she's the smartest girls from Claremont, Florida. So this is the bathtub membrane, the rubber membrane that goes under the bathtub. I had some here that I used in a construction job before. So we went to Home Depot. We could not find, even to the RV store, we could not find a rubber washer this big. Do you know why it was giving a problem? Because this is a new valve, and this ABS, it's used in the old RVs, and that is a very thin here. I don't know if you can take a look from the camera. Very thin opening, as thin as a hair that was passing water. So with this one that we made, it's not perfectly round. The curves we cut with a scissor, but it's good enough to hold the water. So you cannot lose it. Where is it? Okay guys, now we are about to install. It looks easy to install this because we are remodeling. You see, we changed the roof, we changed the flooring, we made a new flooring. So we took the walls out, and there was a big water leak here from the previous owners. Usually, you know, the previous owners, they did not have a chance to fix it, a lot of things. But this was the big problem, because it was broken, the old one. But the fittings, because the RV was old, it could not fit the pipe there, that black pipe there. Let me show you here. This black pipe here, we could not fix it. We could not fit it here. One thing that I want to show you in this video, that I made it because this thing gotta go under the floor of the RV a little bit, a few inches. So I built this thing here. So this is good to prevent small animals to get inside the RV, because before it was just an open here, and I'm sure a lot of little things can get inside the RV. So with this, it helps. So I'm going to install this, and then we take from there. So guys, so this is the cover that we made it. You see, we put the screws, put 8 screws to hold it. Okay, so that way it helps for preventing small animals to crawl under the RV and get inside here. Okay, this is the ring that I told about it. So now we will install the bathtub. Hello guys, now we did the water test. No leaks, not even a single drip of water. Everything is nice and dry, no water leaks. One thing that I want to show you here, because this RV, it's 1991, and we had the old fittings and we use the new ones now, these new ones, because the old ones we had water leak here too. So this is when you're doing a job like this, that you're taking everything apart. It's very important for you to change. Okay, so now we have another big job to do, is to fix the shower walls. Here goes the shower walls. Oh, and up on top we will have to make the linings. This is a light, a clear glass that goes up on top for the lighting. So for this part, the shower valve replace, we are done. Guys, keep subscribing our channel, please. We need more subscribers. As you can see the RV here, let me show you. You see, we have to fix all this bathroom. It will be very nice for you guys to see this done. We still have to work on the cabinet here. That left cabinet there, we had a very big problem with the water leak from the roof. The water leak damaged all the cabinet that we had to throw it away. That one we can still use it, but that one we couldn't save. Now I want to show you something here that we did. This was our wallpaper. We took everything out, sanded and glued. Plastic. This is plastic. It's easier to clean. It's easier to maintain. Okay. We changed the ceiling too. There was some kind of it's not leather. It's like this fake leather with a sponge on it. That is automobile thing, which was really soaked, was with mildew and everything. We had to take everything apart. So keep subscribing our channel and you'll see much more work that we are doing in this project. Take care guys. I like you guys all.